Mate in 2. Let's get to it. Stream is still going well. Let's get it. These mate in 2s are really important. You never know when you got to hit a mate in 2, especially if you're playing blitz and bullet all the time. Knight to h2. Well, usually mate in 2s have to be a little bit more forcing than that. Y'all already know I talk about forcing moves all the time. What are forcing moves? Checks, captures, and threats. Look at all your checks first, all right? Checks are really important. Rook f1, no. Rustum, you are correct. DRJ, you are correct. Rook h1 and then rook f1. There you go. I'm slow to type. My hands are so cold. Why is it that cold? Live in warmer temperature. Take your shots. Like block, block, block. Pay me what you wanted. You thought that I forgot. Is there any Rihanna fans up in here? H1, you missed me in the first one. You missed me, I was first. Yeah, I'm trying to get everybody in the chat. I'm not trying to do repeats. I might still say your name though. So shout yourself out if you got it first. What are we doing here though? Queen d8, is that the first suggestion? Danger man, then knight to f6. Well, if queen d8, rook f, well, bishop can go to f8, then knight f6 doesn't work. You a rapper? Nah, I'm a wannabe. I'm a wannabe rapper. Oh man, what is the best move for white? Rook f, dude, we are the white pieces. Why is people saying rook f6? Knight e5, not knight e5. That, oh, chessman Riz. Queen d8. I think the knight e5 one might be it. Because if you do queen d8, bishop just blocks. So knight e5, and then after knight to e5, who got the next move? Next move is mate. If the king would have moved to h8, then knight would have took on f7. If the king would have moved to h8, knight would have took on f7, that would have been checkmate. I'll show that right after. We're doing chess puzzles today. We're just chilling, we're relaxing. All right, I'm trying to gain an audience right now. Chess lessons for free. Shane Thompson. What are you saying? Knight to e7, queen h6 is not checkmate. That is attacking the king though. But nice try, Ray. I don't care if you're a beginner. It doesn't matter what level you are. All right, just keep on trying to exceed your expectations. If you keep on trying again, you're gonna eventually get it right. x5, you are correct. Got the move queen to d8, which is checkmate because there's no way to block this. And this knight on h5 is covering this g7 square. Then +2 if king h8 was played, then knight takes on f7, which would have been checkmate because the queen is taking full control of the g file, which the knight on f7 is attacking the king. And sadly, this pawn on h7 is blocking the king from going to h7. Okay, checkmate in 2. Let's get to it. We're only at 2 games. Let's go a little bit quicker. Let's get like 5 of these right quick. And then we're gonna up it up. We're gonna up it up to like mate in 3. You thought I was gonna stop at mate in 2. Please, it's gonna get a lot harder, all right? You better put your seatbelts on. H1, you do know I'm 1680 USCF. Yeah, I know that. You always brag about that. We're not doing a tourney yet. We're trying to build an audience, all right? We're doing a chess lesson, like I said in the title, like it shows in the thumbnail. Like it shows in the thumbnail. And this is probably a good time to say that Next week, starting on Monday, I will be not doing the streams at nighttime anymore. It will be during the day because my job schedule is changing. My other job schedule is changing, just to let everybody know. So it's going to be a big time twist. It might be for me Central Time afternoon or evening. I haven't decided yet, but just letting y'all know ahead of time. All my moderators, things of that nature. F5. Is F5 it? Yeah, let's do F5. F5, Rustum got that on Twitch. And then after the move F5, and then Our Journey to Success got that too. Who else got it? Shane Thompson. Hey, this dude, I know you. Okay, Christian is thinking Queen D1. Oh, where are the black pieces, Christian? Your subs? What's going on with my subs? Oh, it's going up? Hey, thank you, Mike. Thank you for noticing. You got this next move. Rustum, you are correct. Hey, Jet KC, how you doing? Hopefully you're doing well, bruh. I see you. Welcome back. Just for everybody to Twitch, you can use your, for everybody on Twitch to know, you can use your channel points to do like random sounds for everybody. I got it working now on this stream. So if you want to do like, if you want to check that out, it's under the panels. But anyway, the next move is G5, checkmate in the king. After G5, we got this next puzzle. Okay. Thank you for following. Oh, Rustum, thank you for following, man. And I heard the FBI sound. It didn't do it all the way for some reason. I don't know why it does that. That's not my fault. It's the platform. But Rook A5. Bye, I'm leaving. See you later, DRJ. Is everybody just saying G5? G5 is not checkmate because the king can just go to A5, right? There's checkmate in 2. I subscribe to you on TikTok. Yeah, I know Shane Thompson. I remember that name. What is checkmate in 2? Not Rook B5. This move is actually a sacrifice. It's pretty simple. It's pretty easy if you know the pattern, of course. I upload random contents, got it correct. Chessman Rez got it correct on YouTube. Yep, I'm on Twitch too at the same time, Mike Jones. I'm on Twitch too. I'm looking at both chats, so don't worry. I'm looking at both chats, seeing who got this next move right. Our Journey to Success, you got it right too. Rook to A5, and then after Rook to A5, what is the finishing move on the opponent? We got 2 more puzzles to do until we get to 5, and then we're gonna do some mate in 3. What do we got next? Yeah, Danger Man, I just seen your comment. Yeah, I know that's gonna suck, but maybe I can switch it up sometimes for the nighttime, maybe on the weekends, but yeah, gotta do what you gotta do. What's the next move? Yep, y'all said it. Okay, one more puzzle on mate in 2, and then we're gonna switch to mate in 3, which is gonna be a lot harder if you think that these are easy. Which one? What time are you streaming during the day? Will you be streaming? Yeah, so next Monday, I'm gonna be starting streaming during the day, not at nighttime. It's gonna be during the day. You know, it's kind of forced because my other job schedule, things of that nature, but hopefully we can gain a bigger audience by me streaming during the day, like everybody else. We'll see. I'm still relaxing. What is the best move for the white pieces? You can't even see the leg. You can't even clip it. I was dancing, you can't even clip it. Oh, crap. A lot of people saying rook d7. Rook d7, rook takes on f5. We gotta always, so when you start a puzzle, you always gotta think about what is your opponent's threat first, all right? Just like in a real game, after each move, you gotta think about what's your opponent's forcing moves. That's the exact same principle. H1, can you please help me with my physics homework? Swift, I cannot do that. Why are you always doing physics homework? Queen f8. Yep, that is correct. Who said queen f8? Oscar Beckman. Good job on that. Oscar Beckman. In Albert too. And after queen f8, what is the next move? Shadow, I am doing a whole chess lesson. You can't be trying to, you know I'm up for a challenge. But after the chess lesson, we're gonna do a tourney. That's the main thing that we're doing. We're gonna do a tourney after the chess lesson. I got these puzzles and then we're gonna just tourney it up. How are you streaming on two streaming services at the same time? Man, welcome to the wonderful world of technology and getting something brand new. And you know, these software platforms help out a lot and I'm paying for a subscription. So you know what I mean? Just enjoy it while it lasts. Hopefully I can get my, you know, worth. You know what I mean? So I can keep on. I like this. This is cool. I'm streaming on Facebook too. So to all my Facebook people, the couple people that is watching on Facebook, hey, how you doing? This is H1. I haven't forgot about you. It's probably like, hey, bro, stay away. What is the next move here? Yeah, some of you already said it. Okay, here we go. Let's keep on going. Actually, that was the last one. Let's move to mate in 3.